Here we are at the Grand Floridian. A little construction going on, but we'll be going to tea today. So this is our grand surprise. We are doing the Garden View Tea Room. Advanced reservations are required. They do also have a perfectly princess tea party, which is separate. But since we're here with friends, we'll be doing the Garden View Tea. Ooh. Thank you.
That's your tea.
Does it smell great?
Does it smell good?
I love when it's hot. But it must be hot. That's really pretty.
So fancy. Got to steal a little photo of it in a hot second.
Do you want to get it?
So why the creme fraiche?
Why the creme? So that the caviar can stick to the creme fraiche. But we
Okay.
start with the bread.
Okay.
Start with the bread.
Start with the bread.
That's step one. Now I got the creme fraiche on this thing, so.
Well, here's this one.
That one? Don't. You say no. Just kidding. I don't know.
There we go.
A little bit of this. All right, we're gonna put it on beautiful bread.
Look at that close-up action there.
Yeah, got it?
Yeah.
I wish I'd gotten my nails done for this. You're getting close-up action.
I know.
Right?
At least it's not the nostril, though.
All right, then I love capers.
Okay.
A little caper. And I like see, this is what happens with the creme fraiche.
Yeah.
Is that everything sticks together. And then I like a little red onion, but then you can put on egg or whatever you want, which is these are traditional accompaniments.
Oh.
Wow.
Ready to be traditional?
I'm excited. Yes. Yours looks adorable.
All right, Melissa, are you going to give it a try?
Yes, I'm going to try it right now.
Anybody wants to?
Yeah, I think we're good, boo-boo.
Just pop the whole thing in? Yeah. Or take a bite. No, this is going to fall. All right, then just throw the whole thing in. Throw the whole thing in.
Down the hatch. You really good?
All right, do it, Haley. It's amazing.
I do enjoy that. Look at Patrick is the man. Yay! Thank you. Well, ladies.
Now that's a better picture with your
Much better.
Should we do a boomerang thing? Cheers. Remember how we tried
Oh, it still looks good even with the three.
boomerang? Cheers. Cheers.
We have to do two. We have to do two cheerses because I need one on here. Then we'll boomerang it.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Cheers.
Is that from Cinderella, right? Oh,
Gosh, Christy.
I can't believe I got it wrong.
How